Sage Naruto's epic. End of story.
You have a pen sticking out of your head.
Sage Naruto's epic. End of story.
Orange pen of oranginess?
What's up with my computer?
Mm.
What happened?
Maybe it got scared.
That's a bio.
You're disgusting! Stop passing gas!
That's a bio. That's a bio.
Fucking Abby.
I'm imitating Abby. That's a bio.
What's the matter with you?
Skank.
What's the matter with you?
I had spicy ramen. I think it did weird things to me. This is good. What's on this? Drugs, drugs, more drugs, drugs again.
What's in this?
Drugs? Rapist for hire. I want a Bishonen, bitches.
With a U.
I want a Bishonen, like Sasuke.
Not a Bishonen. A Bishonen.
I want a Sasuke. He's my bishi. Sasuke is my bishi. Sasuke, where are you when I need you? You're not here. I just hiccuped. Hey, how's it going? My name's Naruto.
Goodbye.
That's a bio.